Hi guys, I made a zipper pouch and here's what I did. For supplies, you'll need inner fabric, outer fabric, paper for a template, sewing machine, pencil, scissors, a zipper, a ruler, and needle and thread. I shortened the 14-inch zipper to the length of the bottom of the pouch template. I made a 12 by 9-inch template with an 11 by 5/8 of an inch strip on the bottom. I also made a 2.5 inch by 1 1/4 inch rectangle for the zipper tab template. I traced the pouch template onto the inner and outer fabric twice, then cut them out. I cut the ends of the shortened zipper. Fold the tabs in half, then in half again. Sew them to the ends of the zipper. Align the edge of the zipper to the tops of one inner and one outer piece, front facing in. Then sew it. I sewed the edge so the fabric wouldn't fray. Unfold the fabric and turn it around. Do the same to the other side of the fabric. Then unfold the fabric. I sewed along the edges of the zipper. Make sure the zipper is partly open. Align the 2 outer pieces and 2 inner pieces. I made the zipper face toward the inner fabric. Leave an opening along the edge of the inner fabric. Then sew the 4 corners. Next, turn the pouch inside out. I sewed the opening closed with a ladder stitch. I also sewed the openings near the zipper tabs with a ladder stitch. And your zipper pouch is done.